you, what free crypto rewards be for everyone else? You're about to discover one of the hottest airdrops out there, Warden Protocol. Watch till the end so you don't miss a single step. Let's dive in. Warden Airdrop. Warden Protocol is called the home of AI, built for developers to create smart apps on its own Layer 1 chain. But here's the good news. You're super early, and you can get in with just a few clicks. First step, click on the link in the description below to join their Discord right now. Once inside, verify to grab the Early Defender role. Then head over to the Get Started channel and grab the Genesis role too. That's your first badge right there. After verification, go to the GM section and type in your GM. Then click and hold your GM comment to see your Warden Protocol Discord roles. With that, you're good to go. Now, head to the Warden Protocol app using this link. Sign up with X or Google, connect your wallet, and link up your other socials. Once you're in, hit the Earn tab, give your coin a cool name, like FABAM for example. Scroll down to find the daily tasks. This is where the pumps start rolling in. Okay, what's a pump? Every coin starts at $1 for everyone. But the more pumps you earn, the higher your coin price goes. You can get pumps by daily sign-in, that's 1 pump. Ask the AI one question every day, 5 pumps. Swap tokens daily. That means you deposit something like USDC. Tell the AI what to swap, and for how much. Boom, 10 pumps each day. Wait, want the biggest pumps? Referrals? Every friend you bring in gives you a crazy 50 pumps. That's the fastest route to pumping your coins sky high. Extra tip, register on Kaito and yap about Warden Protocol. There are massive extra rewards waiting. Always connect your X account on your Warden app if you're yapping. Try to stay in the top 100 on the Kaito leaderboard to lock in even more prizes. Don't wait till everyone hears about this. You're still early, get your pumps, invite your friends, and build your own token price up from day one. All the links are below. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more hot airdrop guides. See you on Warden Protocol. Let's pump those coins together. Warden Kings and Queens, catch you next time.